On this episode of Bluegrass Garage, we're doing a project update.
Okay, as he said, welcome to Bluegrass Garage. Today we are doing pre-paint on the 1970 Dodge Challenger RT. Let me explain what I mean about pre-paint. Basically, we want to paint inside the trunk lid, inside the trunk area. We're going to do inside the doors, the hood, basically everything that we can't do with the car assembled. And so, to do that, we have to do a massive amount of taping and preparation. And again, this is something that you can do in your garage at home with a little extra time, a little extra effort. Like I said, you can see we have a lot of paper laid out here, a lot of tape, things covered up, things taped off so that we can make this look great. Now, this started out with 3 or 4 layers of paint, so we had to take all that off. Lots of sanding, lots of stripping, lots of prepping. But a little extra effort and a little extra time will make this turn out really nice. Now, of course, as I said, this is in not a paint booth, so we'll spend some time and we will clean the floors and dust everything, de-dust everything, I guess, and wet the floor down so we can minimize the dust as much as possible. But this is something that you can do at your house, at your home, with a few simple tools: air compressor, paint gun, and a lot of effort and a lot of preparation. So one thing I'm talking about when I mean good prep work is spend a little money. It doesn't have to be this brand, but something like this, some grease and wax remover. Make sure that when you're done sanding, you're done doing all your preparation work, come in, rub whatever you're painting down with this, remove any grease, any wax, so that the paint will have no problem sticking. So anyway, so let's get to it. Let's get to pre-painting and stay tuned and we'll show you what it looks like afterwards. Several hours later.
All right, so the paint has dried, has cured for a couple of hours now. You can see it's dry to the touch. We don't want to push on it too hard, but it's dry to the touch. Nice Dodge B5 blue. We did inside all of our doors, door jambs, underneath the deck lid, underneath the hood. So now we can put all this together and get ready to paint the outside of it in the next video coming soon.